Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I was working on a logo for myself tonight, and I use indexing lines a lot, and I thought I'd kind of show you how indexing lines, when I was straightening up these letters with this, it's an electrical company in Central Texas, and if you bring an indexing line and have it snap to that node right there, and I had to change these, they were rough and everything, but you can double click on an indexing line and then you could have the center rotation snap to that, and then you could bring your indexing line down there. So like in this case, and I've already fixed it, but I was having to change some of these lines. Like I just noticing right now, that has an extra node. I'm going to delete it and make it straight. That actually has another node I don't need. But see, that's a curved line, so I can grab them both and right click and turn them into a line, and now it's a flat line. So that's what I was having to do along here. And then I just wanted to see if my line was still, equal all the way across. And I could see I could actually even bring this node up a little bit. And if you have, and I'm pretty sure I have snap to guidelines on, and I don't, but we can take the shape tool, grab that node. Got to get off the picture. Take my shape tool and grab that node. Let's zoom in a little bit. Grab that node and just bring it up, and it should snap right to that node, to that indexing line or that guideline. So now I know that my line is equal all the way across. And then you can just delete the guideline, or you can turn your guidelines off. And that's just a little thing. If you've got a guideline right up here, you can show or take away guidelines. So the guidelines can be really, really helpful. You could do the same thing by drawing a line, but it's how easy it is to get rid of it and manipulate it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.